It's been almost a month since Deepak Agarwal came back home after a long bout in the hospital. After losing 25 kilos and still very weak, Deepak is now slowly trying to get back to a state of normalcy and the life he had before it was disrupted by a severe COVID-19 infection.
The only issue which came to my mind is at the age of 60, whether I will be able to win upon this battle or not.
After struggling initially, Deepak managed to get admitted to a hospital when his workplace intervened. Of the 50 days he spent there, 40 were spent in the intensive care unit. He says he lost track of time, of days and nights, and that the time he spent lying in a room crammed with patients broke his spirit.
Worst thing which happened is at the end of a 10th or 12th day, my legs, I found that my legs are not working. They are not the part of my body. I was not able to cope up with the oxygen mask, what they have put. And I was really feeling helpless. I said, there is no point in leaving now because I can't cope up with this pressure. I left a message to one of my eldest cousin brother that I am not going to survive. I think tomorrow is going to be my last day.
Each day he could hear people screaming with pain and discomfort. And each day he saw someone dying. Deepak knew he was fighting this infection at a time when the entire city was struggling hard to cope with it. It was his 2 children, he says, who gave him the courage he needed.
The first feeling that was there with me 24/7 was the fear of losing him. You want to return back to normal. You just want to see those 4 members of your family together on the dining table.
Kanika says the experience with their father and the sights they saw at the hospital have made all of them stronger as a family. One of Deepak's biggest regrets was missing his retirement ceremony from an organization he spent nearly 4 decades in and a day he had spent months preparing for. But he's turning over a new leaf now, and his entire focus is on his health. He wants to live a long, healthy, fulfilling life.
The post-COVID time is more tougher than the COVID time. I'm really finding it very difficult to cope up with the recovery time, because it's already 1 month. It's already 1 month. I'm not able to walk even the 10th step now. So it's what doctors are telling, it will take 6 months.
One small, slow step at a time, he is trying to move towards full recovery. But with every task still a challenge, he knows it will take a long time.